In the previous century, the students used to find free books to get into the world of knowledge. But in the present century, the students find free Wi-Fi. With this, a very fine good morning to the gathering present over here. We, the students of OP Jindal School, Savitri Nagar, are here going to show you the difference brought in our life with the changing time. The change is not only in the ambience of home, but in school and workplace as well. We don't say the change is good or not, but there is a change. Dear parents and elders, quite possible many of you might have witnessed both the centuries. The change in time and practices brings change in attitude, manner and approach as well, and makes an important impact on our relationship too. We had heard about the life of students in 1970s, and we are supposing the life of a student in 2025. So now let us see the one-day life of students in 1970s and in 2025. Well said that old is gold. The scene one is now all set to show the relation between the three generations of a family in the great olden era of 1970s. It's early morning. Mother is going to wake up the children.
Wake up children, wake up Deepu, wake up Arya, it's time to go to school.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning beta.
Such a beautiful and a refreshing morning. God has given me a very long life. I also wish the same for my children as well.
Good morning, Pitaji.
Good morning, beta.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling fine.
Okay, now, children, come here. It's time for breakfast.
Good morning, Papa. Good morning, Dadaji.
Good morning, Dadaji.
Good morning.
God bless you, beta.
Rajni, bring food fast.
As you can see that how eager is the family to have the food made by their mother with love.
Here is your breakfast.
The food is so tasty, Ma.
Thank you beta.
Now, children, it's time. Take your bags.
Okay, Papa.
Just now you saw the old generation. Now it's time for the modern age of 2025, symbolizing the relation between three generations of a family. It's morning, children are late to school, and mother is rushing to wake them up.
Wake up, Rudra, wake up. Wake up, Manisha, wake up. Wake up, you lazy fellows. Rudra, wake up. You are too late.
No, Mom, not today.
Manisha, you also hurry up. Please, Mom, not today. Ayush, come here now. See, they both are not getting up.
Manisha, I will give a tight slap. Wake up right now.
No, Dad. Why should we go to school every day? Please, no.
No, today you have to go to school. Get ready fast.
Come out, Rudra.
No,
Yeah, you come out now.
I don't care.
Oh, stop quarreling, you idiots. What's the matter? Mommy, see, he is not coming out. Because of this idiot only, I'm daily getting late. Then wake up early in the morning and Rudra, come out fast.
Just go inside, you heck.
Now come on, have your breakfast.
means you want to eat this junk food in the morning.
Junk food? It's not junk food for our generation.
So you think it's a healthy food?
Yes.
So what you need now?
We need money. Please give me some money.
Today also you need money?
Yes, please.
Me too.
I will not give you money.
Please, Baba, please.
Oh, stop fighting. I'm giving you money.
Just be like your dad.
Papa, why are you fulfilling their demands?
Leave it, they are just kids.
You are spoiling them. Just go to him.
As you can see, the difference in eagerness of both the generations. The eagerness of taking the food made by mother with love and care. Very well said that discipline is the key to success. It is something which lacks in the modern generation. The olden era is now prepared to show their relationship between students and teachers. As usual, the students are on time. That is, before the bell rings.
Bye, children.
Bye, Papa.
Study well.
The bell rings and with the bell, the teacher enters. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Sit down. So, what we are going to study today? Sir, we will study about National Mandula. Actually, it is Nelson Mandela. Pronounce it with me. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. Good.
Sir, I have one doubt. Who was Nelson Mandela?
Nelson Mandela was the leader of African National Congress. He was a famous personality and he has been an inspiration to countless people throughout the world. Hey, why you two are talking? Stand up. What are you discussing about?
Sir, we were discussing about Sholay.
Basanti.
Sir, you look as handsome as Viru of Sholay.
Thank you. But now you have to take your punishment. Come out.
Sorry, sir.
Now hold each other's ear and start doing sit-ups.
Our day would be bad again, my friend.
Yes, my friend.
Now you go, stupids. Sit down.
Sorry, sir.
The bell rings and with the bell, it's recess. All the children are happy to share their food with each other. Rightly said, sharing is caring.
Hey friends, today I have brought aloo paratha. Taste it.
And I have brought poha.
Can I taste it?
Yes.
It's very tasty. Yeah, it's departure time. Let's go home.
Yay.
Let's go.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
The bell rings and it's departure. Now it's time for the modern generation to show their relation between teachers and students. As usual, the children of modern generation are late to the class. The bell rings and the first period starts, but half of the class is empty and the teacher enters.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Where are the rest of the students?
They are in the tourist place.
What?
No, they are in the washroom.
What they all are doing together in the washroom?
I am not with them. So how can I know?
May we come in, sir?
Sure, sir. You may come in. Should I change the bell timing for you?
Why not, sir?
Just shut up and sit down. What is that, Rudra?
Hey, Rudra, why are you pulling my chair? I haven't done anything.
Just shut up and keep standing.
Sir, really haven't done anything. Just because of my good friends.
Yes. What were we studying yesterday?
Sir, something about maths.
See, you're my genius. This is maths period now, so we study something on maths only.
Sir, lines and angles.
Yes. Yes, Rudra. What is a line?
Sir, that's too simple question. Why don't you ask from Kush?
Yes, Kush.
Sir, lines are of many types, sir. Sir, ATM outline, sir. We are moving auditorium in line, sir. Sir, ant is also moving in line, sir. And we are sitting also in line, sir.
Oh my Ramanujan, you just keep standing.
Sir, so can I sit down?
Just shut up. Yes, Mahesh, stand up.
Yes, sir.
What is an angle?
Sir, angles are a different type, sir. Sir, this is also an angle. This is also an angle. Sir, this is also an angle. Sir, Kathak angle and sir, finally mad angle.
Oh my Pythagoras. You also just keep standing.
Thank you, sir. Sir, so can I?
Just shut up. Yes, Aditya, stand up.
Yes, sir.
What is a line?
A line is a type of line segment which has no starting and end point.
Very good. Sit down. Mrigank, stand up.
Yes, sir.
What is an angle?
Intersection of two rays is called an angle.
Very good. Learn. Learn something from them.
What, sir?
How to study.
Sure, sir.
अरे बेल कब बजेगी यार?
बज गई.
The bell rings and recess is on rise. The difference is that there is no love and respect amongst the friends and no sharing of each other's food.
Hey, Rudra.
Hi.
Hey, Kush.
Hi. Oh, I'm very shocked to see you with us.
What?
Because I saw you with someone last evening.
Arey, they are just my good friends, yeah.
Good friends. Or short form of good friends.
I will slap you, Rudraksh.
Oh, you can do that.
Yes.
Hey, don't fight. Don't fight, don't fight.
Hey, you just go from here, you
Told
help.
him.
Sir, they are fighting.
Why are you fighting?
Sir, we were not fighting, sir.
So what was that?
Sir, we were just playing Girao game.
What is this Girao game?
Sir, should we do it practically?
Just shut up. I will see you three tomorrow.
Sir, you are seeing us now also.
The bell rings and its departure. Now the old generation is briefed to show their food habits and sports activities of that time. The children reach home. Mother is brooming the floor. Mother works very hard to serve the best possible food for their kids.
Ma, I am very hungry. Please give me something to eat.
Rajni, bring the lunch fast. I too have to go to office. Much work is left.
Children, just a second. I have cooked their favorite khichdi.
Mom, food is very tasty.
Thank you, beta.